Hello there, this is the Idiot's Guide on Risk Management and Position Sizing in Forex. Attached below is a link to the indicator that we will use for this video. Most Forex traders tell you about risk management and all that stuff, but never exactly tell you how to do it. They just show fancy women, nice cars and boazools and scenes in the club. No less. But anyway, enough of rant. Let's go into our FX Pro account. This is a blown account. I am not a profitable trader. We are using this account in South African rands. Moving on. Okay, so this is the 4 hour time frame. Simple. I think it's going to be a buy, so I'll just do that. Boom, boom, done and dusted, and there. Boom. Okay, this is not trading advice or anything. It's just literally just an example. Okay, cool. So we have our stop loss and our take profit. Now we're going to insert the indicator. Going to insert indicators, custom, MQL, MT4 lot size, and we go to our price. And then default risk, remember values we're working with in the video, 2% risk and 1 to 2 or more, and you should be good to go in a sense. Don't do as I say, not as I do. This is what happens if you don't. Okay, anyway, so here it is. We are currently, if you want to alternate between a buy and sell, just click there, otherwise it won't work. So currently we want to buy, and our take profit, we're going to put our stop loss price here, 1,08,908, boom, and our take profit price is 1,10072. Remember, this is accounted in rands. It adjusts automatically to the account that you're using. Okay, so we currently have a risk rewards ratio of 1 to 4, which is okay, but if you want to adjust it maybe for 1 to 2, you're going to do the following. Also remember that it shows here that how much we stand to win and how much we stand to lose. So I'm going to show you how to adjust it. We'll go quickly here, and there we can adjust it probably half. Double click. It's a bit of a mission here. Just wait. There we go. 1 to 2.2. Close enough. Okay, cool. And then what happens is you just adjust this 0.01. Awesome. Just make sure that that risk, your possible loss is just basically 2% of your account in a sense. This is what happens if you don't do that. Now, if you want to do a sell, you just click this button here. And now this is our stop loss and this is our take profit. Here, stop loss, take profit, simple. I'm going to go 1.1072. Take profit price, 1,08,908. Okay, cool. And then that shows, and then it's basically pretty much the same. If this is 1,1 to 0.22, if you want to adjust it, double click here. There we go. It's a bit fidgety today. There we go. I'm gonna put it on about there. There we go. Perfect. 1.8, close enough. Usually recommend it, but just for the sake of the video, not to make it too long there. So basically, possible profit is 318 rand, and just make sure your possible loss is 2% of your account size. We're dealing with a blown account here again, and yeah, this is what happens if you don't do that. A lesson on how to be a profitable trader, I'll tell you when I get there. On how to, insert the indicator into your MT4, go open data folder. Awesome, MQL4 indicators, copy and paste it into here. The link in the description is there for the indicator, and yeah, just download it, and happy trading, folks. And yeah, stay safe and don't blow accounts. Cheeky man, stay safe. Bye.